the boys in the tent.
7 lonely days and a dozen times ago, I reached out one night.
What is
and you
this?
were gone. Don't know why you'd run, what you're running to.
What do you think, Harry? You like it in the tent? You doggy?
Jeff.
I hear you laughing. What is this?
Fence.
A tent? You like your tent? Get in there and get him, Harry. Go get him.
Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and up ahead's another town that I'll go.
Careful.
Harry. Oh, God.
Searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain. Showed your photograph to some old gray bearded men sitting on a bench outside a general store. They said, yes, she's been here, but their memories
Funny.
was it yesterday.
Hey, who's silly?
Wait,
Peggy.
the day
Who cut your hair?
Jimmy.
And who's your buddy?
got a ride with a preacher man.
Where's Daddy?
Were you bound on such a cold, dark
Now, where is he?
As we drove
Oh,
on through
truck.
the rain, as he listened, I
truck.
explained, and he left me.
He lives with Gaga.
That I'd find you.
House.
Yeah, who lives in Gaga's house?
Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and up ahead's another town that I'll go walking through.
What you got there, Harry? What is this?
In my shoes, searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain.
Harry, what are you doing? You a beverage break?